Hi everyone, welcome to another video. I'm Serkan here. Today we are at Trabzon in Yalinak region for touring beautiful with sea view and apartment in this project. Very beautiful, very nice project, very good location. Let's talk about our project. This project consists of 6 blocks with 9 floors on a 10,000 square meters land size in the total. There are 2 apartments on each floor. Let's mention about our apartment. Our apartment is 225 square meters gross area in the total, 4 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 1 living room and 1 kitchen. Now we are located inside of the project. As you can see, we are near the swimming pool. You have a swimming pool in here, very beautiful, large and long. It's looking very nice. Right next to swimming pool, we have playground. Your kids, your children play in here. This area is suitable for your kids, and there are sitting area inside of the project. A lot of sitting area is available. What kind of features of this project? You have garage, indoor garage with 100 car, and you have outdoor garage. If you want, you can park inside of the outdoor garage or indoor garage. This is available. This details is very nice. And in the entrance, you have security, and you have security attendant is available. Really very nice project, very good project. Let's see and know this project. Let's discover inside of the property. Hi again. Now we are inside of the property. Very nice, very beautiful property really. As we enter inside of the property, we have a large area in here. As you can see, very quite large. Let's begin from here. You have a clock room, very big clock room as you can see, and you have a lot of storage area inside of this. And we have smart system. You can control, you can see from this who can do you from the outside. Let's keep continue from the kitchen. This is our kitchen. Open kitchen style, American style this kitchen. And cupboard is white. The countertop is black. These are looking very, very nice. Oven, cooker and exhaust. Right off the kitchen, we are going to balcony. We have a balcony in here, very large, very beautiful balcony and covered with glass. And from the balcony, we have very, very nice sea view and city view. As we go on from the balcony to the living room, we have a eating section in here. This is available. If you prefer, if you want, you can put your dinner table in here. This is living room. 2 square meters of this living room, 30 square meters in the total. And same with balcony. We have very beautiful sea view from this living room. When you sit inside of the living room, you have very beautiful, very nice sea view and city view. Let's look this section. We have in here TV unit, and in here you can put your console. This is available. Let's go on. Let's begin from the bedrooms. This is bedrooms. You can use for your kids or reading room. It is depends to you. And right over here we have another bedroom. If you want, you can use for your kids for study desk, bedroom. And in here we have a guest room. Let's check inside of the guest room. You have a balcony and bathroom. Firstly, let's look the balcony. We have a small balcony together this bedroom, and we have nature view. Let's look inside the bathroom. We have shower cabin, sink in here is available. Let's go on for master room. This is our master room, very large, very spacious really. Bed, family bed, and we have two windows in here. It's speaking from the ground go to ceiling, and into this section we have a bathroom, large bathroom. We have shower cabin, sink and heater. In this section we have dining room. This dining room is really very large, like a bedroom. Right of the master room we are going to hall for bathroom and WC. We have in this section common bathroom. Let's check inside of the common bathroom. Really very beautiful. We have jacuzzi, WC, sink and mirror. Really very nice. The walls are covered with very quality ceramic. Right next to common bathroom we have WC, classical WC, and we have a sink inside of the WC. Really, this apartment is very beautiful, very useful, very large, 4+1 an apartment. We were in a beautiful, very nice project together today. This project is located very nice, very beautiful location really. This project is so close to airport, hotels, shopping mall and beach. Also, this project is within walking distance to most and international route. Thank you so much for watching us. See you another time for another video. All the best.